Kahit rain or shine dito, no? Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung tour. Papasok tayo ngayon dito sa taniman ng kakao.
So we
Ayan.
have the cacao from Malaysia. So the origin is from Malaysia because we don't have cacao in the Philippines. So it was the Spaniards who bring cacao
Okay.
here in the Philippines. So this is the BR25.
Okay.
Cacao is from Malaysia.
Okay.
And we have the other cacao from Costa Rica. So it has different character from that kind of cacao. It has a different taste also from that kind of cacao because they are from a different clone. We call it
Daming kakao
clone.
dito, guys.
So,
Ito,
from
purple
Malaysia,
type. From Malaysia.
From Costa Rica,
Yan.
but they are of the
Daming
same
bunga.
variety.
Ang low season daw
Trinitario
nila
cacao
is
variety.
itong panahon na to, no?
So, we
April
will go
to
to the other
July or
three
August. But
because I will
magpipik
explain to you
yung
about
season
the pollination
comes sa
of the
October,
cacao.
November up to December. Nandito pa rin tayo sa nursery area ng Bohol Chocolate Farm na kung saan libo-libong mga cacao seedlings ang makikita natin dito na kanilang pinaparami pa, no? At dito nga makikita natin, no? Itong mga bagong tanim na mga kakao. So, itong area na ito ay may net din, shaded net, para hindi siya direct sa sunlight. At after ng ilang days or months, ito po ang kanilang mga punla ay lalaki na. So, meron din po sila dito, no? At yun ay may mga 1 month old, 2 months old. Ito I think mga 3 or 4 na, no? At ilang months lang daw ay pwede na nilang itanim, no? At ipunla ito sa lupa. And of course, they also have the grafting technique na ginagawa. So ito, nakabalot po siya ng plastic upang sa gayon, maprotektahan yung ginagraft po nila dito. So para hindi malagyan ng tubig or tubig ulan. Dahil dito sa Bohol, no, nagkataon, nakapayong tayo ngayon dahil malakas ang ulan, no? At ngayon din, ang mga variety na mayroon sila dito, na ito yung UF18. Okay, meron sila dito. Ito, UF18. Meron din silang W10, ayan, and BR25. So, mostly kasi, no, mga kabidyo, ang kilala natin at saka 3 main varieties po ng kakao ay itong tinatawag na Criollo, Forasterio, at the same time itong Trinitario, no? At dito ay meron din naman po sila. So happen na yung pagbisita natin sa kanilang mga malalaking cacao plants, malakas ng ulan kaya hindi tayo masyadong nakakuha ng videos po doon, no? At makikita nyo, talagang we tried na puntahan yung kanilang cacao farm, malakas ang ulan, so hindi kaya ng powers natin. So this time naman, after dito na makita natin tong ang daming mga seedlings, I think it's available then. After that, yung proseso, no, once na namunga na yung kakao na meron po sila dito, titignan natin yung cutting area nila dito. So, kanina, napuntahan na natin ito, no, with the tourists na bumibisita dito. Fully book nga sila dito, no, ngayong araw na ito. Mula umaga hanggang hapon, may mga bisita pa rin sila ng mga foreigners. Kanina, as you can see, nakasabay natin yung ibang mga foreigner. At syempre, we have the chance to ask questions din kay Sir Noel, ang farm manager po ng farm. At dito nga ay makikita natin, no? Yung ilan na nakat na. Ito, tingnan natin. So dito, mayroon silang mga pitas. Pero I think, yung iba ata siguro ito, medyo napaaga lang yung pitas. Pero ito kanina, nasubok natin. Nakat po dito sa ginagamit po nilang pangkat. At natikman din natin itong kakao na ito. Matamis, no? But yung proseso po nila dito, yung buto ang ginagawang tsokolate, no? At the same time, dito po, once na natanggal na po nila yung mga buto doon sa lagayan nito, sa bunga, nilalagay po nila dito for drying. So may mga stages po ito, na-discuss din po ni Kuya Noel kanina. So once na na-dry po dito, meron po sila yung area na talagang hanggang madry na po yung mga buto ng kakao. So it's covered para kung malakas ang araw, ino-open nila siguro. But this time, ito po siya. So nakabalot po siya dito. Kung ano, ilalapit natin yung camera, makikita natin. May mga dried ano na dito. Ayan, mga buto. And ito, natikman din natin kanina ito. So yung moisture content medyo mababa na, and I think pwede na, no? Ayan, pag na-crack mo na daw siya, ayun, at lumabas na yung parang ano niya, ayan, ito na po yung ginagawang tsokolate. Ayan. So you can see, ayan o. Kala natin manufacture pero come from natural pala. Ito, medyo may pait-pait pa ng konti. But when you mix it with sugar or sweetener, medyo gaganda na yung lasa. Pero you can eat it as raw as possible ito. Ngayon na ma'am, puntan natin yung area kung saan tinuturo nila dito sa Bohol Chocolate Farm yung paggawa ng tsokolate. So tara, let's go!
More popping sound, and you can see the white smoke. This is the time that we need to check if the cacao beans are already finished roasting. Then put it here to cool down because it's still hot
Okay.
before we do the cracking. Because the next step is cracking. So after this one is cracking,
Cracking
and
first.
after cracking is winnowing.
Okay.
After winnowing is grinding.
So ginagamitan ng electric fan na para mas mabilis na lumamig yung ni-roast na cacao beans. At abangan natin kung ano yung susunod na gagawin.
Our co-worker, he make this kind of cracker,
Yeah.
and then we put it here and do it
Oh.
like this way. So the cracked cacao is now here, and then this is the way how we do the cracking. So can I request anyone from our guests to
Yes, to try.
do the cracking? So the cracked cacao is now in this nigo. We call it a bilao in Tagalog. So winnower in English.
Oh,
Wow, very good.
wow. It's nice.
Okay, how about the guest from France?
Yes, we'll try. Yeah, improvise lang itong cracker nila, no?
Yes.
Kahoy plus
Yung
mga
mga pako.
pako ang ginagamit nila. Yeah, so the cacao beans na crack. Yeah, I will try.
Okay, yes.
Yes, okay. So susubukan naman natin ngayon. Okay, so ito, papaikutin mo lang ito hanggang makrack yung mga cacao beans. Yan. Ayan. So umpisa mahirap pero pag nakuha mo na, madali na lang. Nice. Yan. Magaling talaga mga Pilipino. They just invented this kind of cracker.
Okay, so after cracking is the winnowing.
Siguro you just to separate itong
Separate.
mga cover
Yes.
plus yung yung chocolate na. So sa Tagalog, tinatahip nila yan. Ginaganyan. Pero I don't know the term.
In Bisaya, we call it tahop.
Tahop. Ayan.
Yes.
Parang ganun din sa
Winnow.
Tagalog.
English winnow.
Wino. Okay.
So,
Winnowing.
The shell or the husk,
Will be
we use it
separated.
in cacao tea.
Ah,
And the nibs, this one, we
okay.
grind it for the chocolate.
Wow.
So, you will now taste our cacao tea. So,
Wow.
cacao tea is
Okay.
ready for you to taste. Cacao
Wow.
tea is made of the husk
Yeah.
or the shell of the cacao beans.
So he's going to
So, Isay is very good in winnowing.
So kailangan ni manually crack pa
Manually
yung
crack.
mga iba na part ng cacao. So para even yung pag nila mamaya, pagtahip nila. Tahop in Bisaya sabi nila. So para ma-separate yung cover plus yung kukunin natin na chocolate. Pero walang tapon dito, guys, no, dahil itong cover niya ay ginagawa din nila cacao tea, sir.
Cacao tea.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Before, you're wondering why you call it nibs. Before, we call it beans, cacao beans. But during the roasting of the cacao beans, we do the cracking. So, this is now
Nibs.
nibs.
Mm.
So, the name is changing. So, from the beans, now is nibs.
So it's not considered yet chocolate.
If you want to call it a chocolate, so
Chocolate
but
nibs.
this is a chocolate nibs,
Okay.
not the chocolate, grinded chocolate or the ground chocolate. This is still the nibs.
Okay.
Yes. In Korea, according to our visitors, you can buy in the supermarket of the cacao nibs. So you just eat this one.
Okay.
This
Raw.
one is you eat the peanuts because they don't like other additives like sugar, because according to the Koreans, this is the best for them, the cacao nibs.
Wow. So we're just waiting matapos na matanggal yung mga covers. Then the nibs, the chocolate nibs, later on will be grinded.
We will grind the
Okay.
nibs to make a cacao mass. So after grinding the nibs, another name will change into
Again.
cacao mass. So,
Okay.
from beans to nibs, and then to mass. So after the mass, another process to have the result of the chocolate liquor. So
Wow.
the name is changing.
Wow, galing, no? Habang nag-iiba, no, after the process, naiiba yung pangalan. Pero nanggaling lang din naman sa kakao.
Cacao. Yes, cacao.
Hindi na lang. So, naging clear na, no, mga ka-video. Kanina, may mga ano pa yan, cover, husk. So, walang tapon. Gagawing tea yan. Ano yung pakukuluan na lang, sir?
So ilagay namin sa tea bag,
Okay.
papakulo ng tubig. The same as the Lipton tea or some
okay.
other teas.
Ibababad
The
na.
same
You will dip.
procedure.
Okay.
And a drink, and then you can smell the chocolate of the cacao tea.
Wow.
So you can try the
Do we have?
yes,
Okay.
cacao tea for you.
So, titigman natin. Ito yung cacao tea daw na binibigay nila. Yun. Yeah, this is for my wife. Come on. Yeah, tikman mo. Yeah, subukan natin. Yeah, tignan natin yung aroma niya. Uy! Amoy chocolate. Nasanay tayo sa mga regular na tea na kinakain, iniinom natin. But this one is something different. The smell is chocolate na chocolate talaga. But we will try to taste. Tea na chocolate flavor.
So we have
Nice.
now the cacao nibs. So I want you to taste the roasted cacao. So this
Okay.
is the nibs, because
want to
while
taste?
ago you have tasted the dried cacao
Yeah.
beans. So
Yeah.
that's the
This
beans.
is the nibs.
So this is now the roasted
Nib.
because we roasted the cacao beans. So the result is now the nibs.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Yes. I try.
So there is something different from the dried and from the roasted one.
Yes.
It's not bitter.
It's
Yeah.
not bitter.
Bitter. C'est comme ça qu'on dit.
Yes, because
Yeah.
we already cook by roasting. So after roasting, we'll now go to the next process.
Okay.
So we'll now
Grind.
do the grinding. So
Okay.
we put
Let the boy,
we put the
Yeah.
cacao
you want to try
nibs here, and then
grinding?
do the grinding. So
Yeah, like
this
this.
is the way how we will grind.
Yeah.
So cacao nibs you put inside,
Yes.
cacao
Mass.
mass will come out.
Wow, this
So,
is done.
From nibs to mass.
Mass, yeah.
Yes. So the name is changing from the cacao beans or the cacao seeds during the nursery, because
Oh.
we plant the cacao seeds
Yes.
to make them grow,
Mhm.
and after the nursery we go to the farm to explain to you the pollination of the cacao flowers to become cacao fruits, and then harvest the ripe cacao,
Want to try, ma'am?
do the fermentation and drying, and now do the roasting, cracking, winnowing, and grinding. The cacao mass, we need this one, the refiner or the stone grinder,
It's more
to
refined.
make them more refined. So in our tablea or the tablet for the hot chocolate, the mass we put it here for 3 hours
Okay.
to make it fine and then mold. So that is for the tablea. We call it tablea or the
Okay.
tablet. Dark chocolate only contains cacao and the sugar, 700 grams of cacao with added that 300 grams of sugar. So that is equivalent to 1 kilo. So meaning you have the 70% chocolate. So if you want
90%.
the 50% dark chocolate, so meaning 50% of cacao and then 50%
sugar.
of sugar.
Ah,
So
okay.
it will always count on the percentage of the cacao.
Okay.
If you want the 80%,
Put 80.
80% cacao.
Okay.
So never mind the sugar,
Okay.
just the cacao.
Add.
For example, 60% chocolate, dark chocolate you want, how
40%.
much sugar you will add?
40.
Okay, very good. You now learn how to make the chocolate. So that's the process. The cacao mass
Yes.
we put in the melanger
After.
together with the sugar. The result is now the chocolate liquor.
Ah, okay.
Chocolate
Liquor.
liquor now. So it's changing. Every process it's changing.
Liquor.
Chocolate liquor.
Liquor.
Yes, liquor. Yes, we call it a chocolate
Chocolate
liquor. So you need to cut at the tip, of the piping bag, then you squeeze it like you put icing in the cake so that you can put inside the mold.
Yan. So, after 20 minutes sa fridge, okay, meron na yung output. Ayan. Ito na ba yan? Di pa?
Hindi pa.
Okay. Oh, patigasin. Alright. Yun. Ang ganda naman ng experience dito, sir. Sir Noel, you have a lot of planting material, seedlings. Do you sell that?
Yes.
You invite or you ask the audience natin, baka gusto nilang bumili.
Sa mga farmers natin na nais mag-cacao farming dito sa Bohol, meron tayong available na mga cacao seedlings. Meron kaming UF18, meron kaming BR25, may W10,
Yes.
may PG610, meron din kaming Hubbard, meron
Yes.
kaming AM617. Yun ang mga magagandang clones
Variety.
ng cacao ngayon dahil malalaki ang bunga. Yung iba, kahit na hindi masyadong malaki pero strong sila
Yes.
sa pest and diseases.
Yes.
Yan ang mga recommended cacao clones ngayon na i-recommenda ng Bureau of Plant Industry.
Wow.
Yan ang kadalasan ng mga cacao na naitanim dito sa atin.
Sir Noel, lastly, any message sa ating mga viewers na gustong pasukin yung ganitong pagtatanim ng cacao at the same time experience dito sa Bohol Chocolate Farm?
So sa lahat ng mga nais na mag-cacao farming, so meron kaming available na mga cacao seedlings. Ang presyo natin sa ngayon ay 60 pesos. So good quality naman yung cacao namin dahil ongoing na yung process sa nursery upang kami ay magiging tinatawag natin na certified nursery ng cacao. Pero yung mga taga Bohol, pwede kayong magpunta dito upang magbigyan kayo ng mga ideya kung paano ang cacao farming.
Yes.
At meron kaming programa yung partner farms, yung mga bumili ng cacao dito. For example, bibili ka ng 1,000 cacao. So kung gusto niyo makipag-partner sa amin, kasali na yung technology. Every 3 months, pinupuntahan ko yun upang bigyan ng guidance kung anong problema, kung anong mga sakit sa cacao nila, masolusyonan kagad. At meron kaming 3 cacao farm partners. So ayaw namin na maging failure yung farming nila. So yung success ng mga partner farms namin, yun din ang success namin. At kapag naka-harvest na sila, kami ang bibili. Dahil ayaw namin na maghanap pa silang buyer, saan natin ito bibinta?
Nice.
Dahil walang bumili. Kami ang bibili sa kanilang mga harvest. So ngayon, mag-unmold na tayo sa chocolate na nandun sa chiller. So hintayin natin na dalhin nila dito upang i-unmold. At yung chocolate ninyo,
Yes.
dahil ilagay nyo yan sa pack at dadalhin nyo sa pag-uwi.
So, this time na mga kabidyo, tayo pinagpapasalamat kay Sir Noel sa pagbibigay niya po sa atin ng pagkakataon na mabisita itong Bohol Chocolate Farm at na-experience natin kung paano nga ba yung proseso at pag-aalaga at the same time paggawa ng tsokolate dito sa kanilang farm at natikman din natin no, ang kanilang tsokolate dito at napakasarap. So, kaya naman sa lahat ng ating mga kabidyo na may natatanging kwento, pwede kayo mag-message or mag-like, mag-share sa ating Facebook page, Video Stories, o kaya naman mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, Video Stories, for more videos and stories. So once again, I am Art Sinabago, the content creator of Video Stories. Always remember, tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-angat. Keep rising mga kabidyo. Sir Noel, thank you so much. Bye-bye!